What's up, guys? Welcome back to the new video. And today we're gonna be watching some Sorry guys, the first video was so funny. Let's do this again, shall we? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the new video, and today we're gonna be watching some of the worst drivers on this planet. So here we go, hold on to your pants, it's showtime. Alrighty, this one could be very interesting. Is this a little bit too close? Careful, bro, careful. Oh, it's a BMW, so no further commentary required. He was probably way too busy admiring his own driving skills, or the lack of it. But never mind that, we are jumping to UK, and we have another BMW, and BAM! And another one just for the good measure. Why not? And of course, of course he's gonna run. But he can run all he wants, the dash cam got him, so moving on. Oh, that was a hard hit. I don't know what else to say, really. Sometimes it's like people are driving like they forgot their brains at home, you know what I mean? It's messed up. Whoa. Oof, 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 oof. Oh dearie me, this was a biggie. And now, on the brighter side, this woman here is confused by the simple concept of paying for the parking. Let's see what happens. She's like, I'm gonna jump out real quick to see what's wrong. And the car is like, okay, I'll go and buy some fresh oil while you sort that out. Oh my gosh, she's even laughing. Woman, there's nothing to laugh about. We can laugh, but you can't. You failed. Miserably. Whoa! Damn, another BMW. Come on, this is ridiculous now. I should rename this video to BMW fails or something. He was coming way too fast. That was scary. Another one on a highway. What can go wrong? Whoa, brake. Oof. No, it's too late. He had plenty of space. I don't know why he didn't avoid that. I would not do that. That was close. Oh. You know how it goes on the Russian sidewalks. Whoa! Easy there, buddy. Oh, he locked up. And rear-ended the guy in a van. I mean, a man in a van, boy. And here's another guy who is a little bit confused about how the car works. But luckily there's a guy who is willing to help. There we go. But nope, he's like, power! Bam! And this guy is like, please, don't help anyone ever again. Do us all a favor and avoid helping people. Whoa, when I see you again. Oh no, I thought it's gonna go all the way down. But oh boy, I was wrong. Oh, look at those mud flaps. Whoa, what the hell happened there? I was watching mud flaps. Good job, me. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, another BMW, and it's another X5. And this one was probably admiring his iPhone 6 with a broken glass. Alright, moving on. Whoa! Almost got away with it. But anyways, it was a good reaction. It could be much worse. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, easy boy. Dearie me, that was majestic AF. What the hell is wrong with you, man? Are you driving or playing ping pong? Choose one. Damn. Oh, what's going on here? Whoa, this wheel is like, equality for everyone. I don't want to be a wheel anymore. I want to become a truck driver. And the grandpa is like, shut your ass and get back to the wheel arch. It's so good to be me. Oh, there's the... Oh my god, this was a video from the beginning. But it's in full glory, so... Oh, here we have some BMW driver-like behavior, you know what I mean? Are we gonna have another crash or... Nope. Okay then. Moving on to Aussie Land. This is very interesting, I know this video. Watch this. Whack! This one should get a, I don't know how to use the steering wheel award. Oh, she's getting away? Oh no, they're gonna swap. I don't know how that's gonna help, but whatever floats their boat. Whoa, easy does it. I don't know exactly what they're trying to do, but I guess one of them crashed the front end and then the other one is gonna crash the rear end, so they have the whole package. You know what I mean? And now it's time for this week's question. Tell me, ladies and gents, would you rather drive a car with a powerful and amazing engine, but on the outside it looks like a piece of junk? Or would you rather drive a car that looks amazing, but the engine and everything under the car is crap? Let me know in the comments. And now we are back in Mother Russia. Oh, that man is going for it. Whoa! Nice 180, bro. Tokyo Drift Van Edition. Run away, everyone! Save yourselves! This wasn't so bad, luckily. Whoa, 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 whoa! But this one is... Oh! That guy got eaten by trees. Damn. Whew. This was... Luckily he was in a car. Imagine if he wasn't. That would be real bad. No. That was a good dodge, not gonna lie. Oh, but this one wasn't. And the guy in front was like, yes! And then 2 seconds later, oh crap! Whoa! How the hell did he do that? What the hell is wrong with you, bro? Unbelievable. Alright, let's see here. Please don't crash, don't crash. Wait. What? Oh, there we go. There goes my hopes and dreams that one day someone will finally turn left without any problems. Oh my god, look at this fool. He was fully committed to go straight. You gotta look, bro. You gotta look. Oh, this one could be interesting. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And he's like, this isn't my driveway. What the hell? Moving on to... I don't know where this is. I forgot. Don't judge me. I have a bad memory sometimes. I mean, most of the time. Whoa! Double tap. It was like bam bam. Oh, come on. Are you blind? Are you blind? You could see that blue car from a mile away. Whoa! It's an ambulance. Oof. Oh, nice sound, by the way. And I don't understand how some people can't hear the ambulance. It's loud, it's annoying, it's everything, and they still crash into it. It's basically stupid. School bus, behave, everyone. Whoa! Muscle car versus the pickup truck. If you ever ask yourself that question, well, there you go. There's your answer. That Challenger could win any day of the week, boy. Whoa, oopsie daisy. Oh, we all know what's gonna happen here. Bam. You spin me right round, baby, right round. And his name is John Cena. And on that note, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And if you have any ideas, please feel free to let me know. And yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.